In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you get the most out of file usage in ChatMDR Enterprise. So Enterprise is our version where you can use your own files and store them on our server. So the way to do that is go to File Management, and here you see some folders, there's some product, and here's a paper we're working on as create. And I can very easily create an own folder. I'm going to do something with local Dutch legislation today. Medical device laws in the Netherlands to add on top of MDR. So just make a quick folder here where I can then upload my files using this little button at the top. And I've already grouped them here in this folder. So I'm going to take all three of these, and those are the additional regulations in Netherlands. Upload those. This takes a while. Right now the model is sort of training on them, but these texts are not very big. You can use text, PDF, Excel. You can delete the files from here or the entire folder. I won't do that now, of course, because I have to start all over again. And then when in my chat prompt, there's this little icon with a paperclip for attachments. You know it from your email. And there I can now select the Dutch law. I select the entire folder. Of course, I can choose one file or multiple, but I think it's easier just to take the whole folder. And now they're added as part of my context. So now I'm going to type a query, and this is a real one from real life. As a Dutch hospital, we are conducting clinical investigations with our in-house devices. Which requirements are there under Dutch law on top of MDR? I'm going to use Diamond. I want to use reasoning, and I want to use the Dutch legal texts, but answer in English, please. So I'm going to send this one off, and then the model is going to use the files and think about it for a little bit. I speed this up a little bit. There's the answer. It takes a little bit longer in real life. And what you see is that it actually said, okay, in-house devices, you need to do Article 5.5 MDR, but then it actually added a lot of the local legislation, and including with articles from this legislation. And so you can clearly see that it used those. So that was all. I hope this was helpful. Please tune again in next time for some more tips and tricks. Thank you and goodbye.